Are you gonna? Hi guys, so today we are at Strawberry Park here at Genting. Okay, it's a short trip, so let's go on to the video. Oh, got photos. So I went to temple in the morning, so yeah. So these are like all the people come visit, they take picture here. Okay, and then the entrance, and here you have some water fountain. And then you can buy ticket here at the ticket counter before we go in. So this is like the, what is this? The Leisure Farm's map lah. So you can know, like you can see, like you enter here, then what you can see and all that. So yeah. So let's go into the Leisure Farm. Oh my god, I'm getting stuck. Oh, Ruby. So let's see, we have some beautiful flowers here. I don't know what flower is it lah, but it looks very beautiful. The purple flower, you have pink, red. Oh, this is a lavender. Oh, lavender gardens, that's it. Okay, this is on my right hand side. So on my left hand side, let's go. Okay, there's some other flowers as well, and it looks so pretty. Okay, so here we have some purple color flowers, and then green plants, and then like a alley here. I walk in front. Then this side we have more like a purple color flowers. So there's we saw red, so purple, and some red flowers. I don't know what flowers are there, but it's so beautiful. Yeah, that one look like cabbage plant, but it's not. From far it looks like a cabbage, but it's actually a flower. It's so unique, if you can see. Right, it looks like cabbage from far, but actually it's actually flowers. Let's go close. It's actually flower, not cabbage. So it seems like, it's a type of flower, but I'm not so sure. But you see, this side all looks so nice. Then here we have like a purple color shop that sells stuff. Right here. Then here we have like strawberry stand, and then strawberry jams, strawberry lollipops, and then here we have like some bird house. And yeah, I think you can walk up there. And here's like, I think here's the place where you can go and pick strawberries. I'm not so sure. We'll go on and see what is it. And yeah, here's the houses. Tree house. So we just saw a squirrel. So now let's walk up and see what's there up here. Let's go and see what's up there. Ooh. Okay, let's go up the stairs. Are you gonna? So let's come up here already. So we're gonna pick strawberries right now. Yes, cannot destroy. Woo! So this is where we can go in and pick the strawberries. So let's go inside. See? Berry, berry, strawberry. Let's walk up. Let's walk up the stairs. Must watch the steps. So when we're walking like this, right, I always feel nice, but also scared of the insects. Me and the green background. Close for the camera. It's purple flowers, right? It looks so unique, Look at it. Let me go close. Wow. Okay, so today we're going to go and find strawberries, and then we're going to pluck them, and then they give us this small cute, good, small scissors with this cute little basket. So let's go. Okay, we found our first victim. I think it looks good, right, baby? Yep. Okay, we cut one already.
So could you show us your strawberry, please, ma'am?
Oh, this is how we look.
Oh wow, so beautiful, like you.
Thank you. Ding. Got two. Let's get the red one. Okay guys, so this is how much me and my sister took, and this is how much my mom took, and my sister have something to say.
So guys, I have a very good tip for y'all. If you come to pluck it, make sure you pluck out the stem and all before the weighing, because that small thing can still weigh a lot.
Okay?
Slay.
Alright, let's go baby girl.
Wait ma.
Okay. That less it's okay. Okay. That's me. Okay, so we have already plucked the strawberries, and then now we're going to go and buy the strawberry ice cream, and then we're going to buy some souvenirs, and then we're going to go back. Okay? So chilling in the air. Okay, so then they have here discovered the beauty of butterfly wonderland, which is like the honey part of the park. See, Tongkat Ali, royal jelly. See, there's something here. So in a while we'll go to the farmhouse cafe to get our strawberry ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream. I love ice cream. You love ice cream. So this is the waffle with ice cream. Let's start eating. This is the strawberries. No. Rose and rose. Rose and rose. And you're in the garden of rose. And you're a rose. Okay, so that's all for today's vlog. We're gonna go out already. So there's some plants on my left and right side. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And take care. Bye bye.